How to enable or disable haptic feedback in Fortnite. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you want your gameplay to feel more immersive or maybe a bit more silent and controlled while playing Fortnite, then you are in the right place. First of all, open Fortnite on your device and wait until you reach the lobby screen, which is this one over here on the page. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on your profile icon. From the expanded menu, tap on the gear button from the top. Now you'll be able to see this interface where you need to go find this button over here, which shows a little touch icon. Tap on it and it'll open up touch and motion. Under touch controls, look for haptics. To turn on haptic, tap on the option right next to haptics. Whereas to switch off haptics, you need to tap on the same button again and make sure it is turned off by looking at this level over here. If you turn off the haptic, your gameplay will be smoother and quieter with no vibrations. You can toggle it to your preferences whenever you want. Now click on Apply button from the bottom. Never forget to save your changes so that the changes can take effect. After you are done, you have successfully customized your Fortnite experience. Whether you like the extra realism of vibration or prefer a distraction-free game, you're now in full control. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.